Hello and welcome to Join Hints. In this tutorial, we'll go over how to locate the file path of the wallpaper that is currently set as the background on your Windows 11 desktop. Well, if you are like me and you like to use Windows Spotlight as your background, then I'm sure there has been a time that you found one of these images that keeps shuffling on your desktop. You found it very useful, like you liked the picture and you wanted to keep that image as your background for an extended period of time, or maybe use that image for a different purpose. But the problem is, how do you even locate that image? That is where this video comes in. So please subscribe if you haven't already and get ready. Let's locate the file. I'm actually going to be showing you two methods. The first method is the manual way of doing things, and the second one is the straightforward one. So I'll have the timestamps over there so you can navigate to the one that you just want. The first one, manually. Let's get to it. So first, we open our file explorer, we go to the Windows C, we go to users, and then the current user. I'm actually, the current user is Join Hints, so I'm going to open that. If you have only one user on your PC, then you are just going to see that user and then the public one. So you open Join Hints. In my case, the next folder we want to open is called appdata, but unfortunately we don't see appdata here, and the reason is it's a hidden folder because it contains sensitive files. So we are going to reveal that file. We first go to see more, the three cog icons over here. We go to options, and under options we go to view from the tabs on top here, and then we go to show hidden files and folders and drives, and then we apply that and click on OK, and now we can see two files got added here because they were hidden files initially. So we go to appdata, and then roaming, we go to Microsoft, and then Windows, and then themes. Okay, themes, this is the file we are looking for. So this is the current background that we are looking for. So to get this file, it has actually been transcoded, okay, to a format that is not readable by default. So we have to copy this file and then take it to anywhere that we like. In my case, I just want to keep it, let's say pictures. I'm going to come to pictures, and I'm going to paste it here. And then you have to rename this file. You can decide to delete this name, enter any name, okay, anything nice, any nice name you have, and then add the most important thing to review the image, the file format, the image file format. In my case, I'm using JPG. You can use PNG and it's still going to work. So .jpg, you hit enter, and that is my nice image over there. So now you can use this image anywhere you want. You can now set it as your static background. Just right click on it, set as desktop background, and it won't be changed for you anymore. Now let's look at the second method. The second method, sorry, before I get to the second method, it's important you turn off the hidden files and folders, especially if you don't use your PC alone, because you don't want people going around messing around with your like sensitive files, deleting anything that's going to mess up your PC. So I'll go back to options, view, and then I'll take it back to where it was before I came and apply that, and okay. So now I can close this whole thing here. For the second method, we are going to be using a run command. So you hit the Windows key plus R, and it's going to bring this up, or press the Windows key, go to your start menu and search for run, and it's going to be the first option here. You open it, and now that I have this opened, you delete anything that is currently there, and then you paste in this appdata Microsoft Windows themes. What this does is it just skips all that long process that we just did. It first tries to navigate to appdata, which is the hidden folder in this case, and then to Microsoft folder, Windows, and then themes. Self-explanatory. So I'm going to have this in the description and in the comment section. So to copy this, head over there to copy it, and then you paste it over here and then hit OK, and it takes us straight into that folder now. So to properly do this, I'm going to change this image by clicking on switch to next picture for it to change to the next image here, and then now I can now copy it. It has been, the transcoded wallpaper automatically has been updated in the background, so I can now copy this. Again, I'll navigate to my pictures folder. That's where I like to keep mine, and then I'll paste it over there. And as usual, we just have to rename this file and add the most important thing, the image file format, JPEG, JPG, and then you hit enter on it, and there you have your image. Well, if you want to change the name of the folder, you can do that too. The name of the image, sorry, you can do that too. So straightforward, this is how you find the file path of the current wallpaper on your desktop. I haven't tried this on Windows 10, but you can try it on Windows 10. Who knows, it might work. And please, if you found this video useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.